Do you want to know how you can change your country or region in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the country or region in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now, tap on your profile, which is on the top left hand corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and you can see Region and Language. Click on Region and Language and you can see Country or Region. Go ahead and click Country or Region and your current location is shown over here. Now to choose your country and region, go ahead and tap on any country. You can see that the app has been restarted. Now let's check the country and region. Go to your profile, go to Settings and go to Region and Country. You can see that the country or region has been changed. This was a video on how you can change your country or region in Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.